Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Redmi 15C. Now let's say for instance, you're having issues with your device. A simple factory reset might fix all those issues. Now to factory reset your device, it's pretty simple. So open the settings, and then within the settings, select About Phone. So tap on that. And then from here, scroll down and find the option Factory Reset. So select it, and then you should see all the information that will be erased if you choose to factory reset your device. So to continue, all you have to do is select Erase All Data. So tap on that. And then you have to confirm your identity by typing in your PIN, password, or pattern. And then you'll be prompted to back up your items first. So in case you have sensitive information that you'd like to not lose, you can simply back them up first before you factory reset. However, if you like to clear everything from the phone, all you have to do is select Factory Reset, and then you should see this warning. Factory Reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure you back up your data and important items on your computer. To proceed, tap on Next, and then you'll be prompted again. You'll be warned again. You want to be able to restore the items that you haven't backed up. So to continue with the factory reset, all you have to do is tap on OK, and that should reset your device. Now once it resets your device, you will boot up back to the setup screen, which you'll have to set up your phone again. So that's basically it on how to factory reset your Redmi 15C. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.